to the Home Minister's office, which is where he wants to go, where he is threatened to sit on a dharna from today. And it seems that also some supporters of the Aam Aadmi Party have also arrived there. We'll just bring up those visuals in just a moment. There you can see Arvind Kejriwal's car arriving on that India Gate circle, but it's not being allowed to proceed. Manish Sisodia also sitting there. Arvind Kejriwal did say that 7 of his ministers would sit on that protest with him outside the Home Minister's office, demanding that 3 cops be suspended. However, his car has not been allowed to proceed. As you can see, it has been stopped there. The senior cop of that area reasoning with the Chief Minister. It's a completely unprecedented situation. It's not something you've seen before. A Chief Minister there en route to a protest dharna that he wants to sit on, and the cops being put in this situation. The cops, however, had declared a section 144 in place in this entire area. That means that no one would be allowed to gather, and you can see the huge number of cops blocking that car. Let's go again to Sonal Mehrotra, who's actually at the spot. Sonal, what's happening now?
The car of Chief Minister, the blue Wagoner, really, he's rolled up his windows and he hasn't been speaking to anyone. We understand S.B. Tyagi, who's the DCP of the New Delhi district, he's trying to reason him, trying to tell him that he will not be allowed to go ahead. This is the road where he's standing right now currently, which goes directly to North Block, and he's been stopped here at the front line. Now, before my line got cut with you earlier, the point I was trying to make, Gargi, is that it's an extremely interesting situation, because what's happened is, you see, if you have the visuals on air right now, Gargi, you'll see men in blue blazers protecting everybody from coming near Arvind Kejriwal. Now, these men are the security for Arvind Kejriwal, which has been used for crowd management. So here you have one set of security people protecting him from Delhi police, who's actually standing on the other side, protecting, not letting him go ahead. So this is a confrontation of sorts. Delhi Chief Minister continues to sit inside the car. Sitting along with him is Manish Sisodia and also his secretary. We'll try and understand what exactly will be the tactic from now on.